So we put the rock down first, and then we put the willow, and then we put the rock, and then willow, and then willow, 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 willow. And this is bank restoration. I'm gonna do all the way over there. There's the guy who paid the cost to be the boss.
Beauty day today too. It's awesome.
Yep. Beautiful in Prince George. Here comes the operator. Hey, Bridge.
Mama.
This is what we need. We need an operator to put the rock down, to bury the willow. All this thanks to Shelton. If you know anybody who needs bank restoration, give us a call. Lately today. Why do we do bank restoration? For the salmon habitat, and for when the river takes the bank, so we could stop the erosion of the bank. Right now we're in Prince George, BC, Willow River on January 16th. There's the boss man's wife. Uncle Alex.
It's falling pretty fast, right?
I say past that tree's halfway, right there.
Yeah, I think it might be even more than halfway. That tree's more than halfway.
Well, how far are we going to?
All the way to those down there.
Where?
Those ones down there.
Yeah.
We're going on all the way to that end over there?
All the way to that end where those cottonwoods are, yeah.
Sweet.
Well, you know that rock is placed in a strategic spot for sure.
Look at how beautiful it looks out here.